现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
嗨，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。今天呢，我们要介绍给大家的客家音乐呢，是来自声响乐团的思念故乡的一首《爱种》。
思乡去，爱种圆满，艺术昂升，主公平难行，滚滚接贴，将一块心电翻难。思乡去，爱种圆满，艺术昂升。
声响乐团呢，就是由林声响所带领的这个团队哦。那这首歌 again 叫做《爱种》，就是我的故乡的意思，我庄啊。里面唱着一些儿时的回忆哦。这个乡镇的东边有果树，西边呢有祖先长眠之地，北边有高松吹来的凉风，而南边呢也有溪流过。而随着所有的农村现代化哦，现在这些景色已经不存在了，这也是非常值得去探讨的一个议题。
满山岩，旗帜凝共民族性，接山谷送凉风，南边长春饮凉天，春游太戏冲上天，日天翻身别牛年，秋风新鲜虎把梦，国土中间有一年。思乡去，爱种圆满，艺术昂升，主公平难行，滚滚接贴，将一块心电翻难。思乡去，爱种圆满，艺术昂升，主公平难行，滚滚接贴，将一块心电翻。
Composer Lin Senxiang and his group Senxiang and Band produces a lot of great music that uses percussion, like this one, which is titled My Village or My Hometown. Now, it talks about his childhood memories of how many farms and forests, mountains and creeks were around the town, but now all because of modernization, replaced by concrete and convenience stores. And that is something really to pay attention to. Well, there you have it, another great Hakka song here on ICRT. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.